one person on one side has 12 months of experience. One person has 18 years of experience. One person has 7 years of experience. One person is studying cybersecurity. One is studying engineering. The professors here are
Very nice.
next level, so helpful, and they really care.
They give you an opportunity to explore a lot.
Yeah.
You can take the help from the internet. If you want, you can also take the help from the ChatGPT also.
Wha-
I'm really not.
You meet new people, you talk to them,
Yeah.
you get to know their culture, they help you, and it's like people are really friendly. They
Yeah.
accept you. It's nice.
Hi guys, today I am in Drexel University in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I am with the students of the Futurist US Pathway who have come to Drexel University this fall. Today I'm going to talk to them what has happened in the last month or two, what are some things they have learned, what are some things that are very fun, what are some hard things of moving to the US, everything in a very candid and a very raw manner. So hi guys, it would be great if you could introduce yourself and the course or the program you're studying at Drexel.
Yeah, hi, I'm Kapil Wadhwa. Here in Drexel, I'm pursuing MS in Engineering Management. And I'm having a total 18 years of experience in IT industry. I was working as a group technical manager. Now I'm thinking to increase, or you can say enhance my knowledge so that I can go up and climb the ladders to the higher management.
Perfect.
That is what I'm thinking of.
Amazing. What about you?
My name is Nishant Sonaule, and I've completed my bachelor's in mechanical engineering. And after that, I've worked as a design engineer for almost 3 years. And in Drexel University, I'm pursuing my master's in engineering management.
Wow.
So I'm Sneha Shashivaran, and I have about 7 years of experience in IT, but I want to have a career in cybersecurity. So I have taken MS in cybersecurity at Drexel.
Amazing. I think all of you have very diverse experiences. And the beauty with all the students, all the candidates we have got through the Futurist US Pathway, one person on one side has 12 months of experience. One person has 18 years of experience. One person has 7 years of experience. One person is studying cybersecurity. One is studying engineering. So we have a gambit of folks. The good thing is all of us have this common aspiration to build this great American dream. So now let's try to understand ki when you came here, how was the first week in college? And any one of you can tell me, how did it start? What were some basic things that you needed to figure out? Like, for example, when I came to university, we had to figure out SIM card, bank, all of those things. How did you figure out your lodging? So I think let's start one-on-one. Who wants to start? You want to start?
Sure. So in the first week, I came on the 13th, and I stayed in New York with my cousin for 2 days. And after that, I came here in Philly, and we are sharing an apartment together. So first we figured out how to set up our bank accounts and all. So I think university helped a lot in that.
First thing was bank account. What was the next thing? Bank account and
Then we just figured it out how to just go for the SIM card, and then we planned it out and just took the SIM card here.
so you got the bank done, you got the SIM card done. What about food? What about lodging? How did you decide on that?
So lodging, actually, what we did, we took the support from the university only, because they were having their own Drexel House website where we searched for it, because it was in collaboration with apartment.com.
So you are saying in the beginning you set up your bank, you got the SIM card,
Yep.
you got the apartment because of the university's collaboration.
Collaboration, which is
And what about food? Did you guys figure out a meal plan or are you cooking yourself? What are you guys doing?
Yeah, we are cooking ourselves. We are just
Cooking yourself?
yeah.
We're staying off campus, so yeah.
Nice. So you tell me, I think, are you staying on campus?
No, I'm staying off.
You're staying off campus. So why did all of you stay off campus? It's cheaper?
Yes, it's cheaper.
Yes.
It's much cheaper, right?
Yes.
It's cheaper, but what about food? So you also cook yourself?
Yes, trust
Wow.
me, till date I've not had anything outside over here from the day when I've been cooking.
Really? And that is a very important thing because that helps us save a lot of money.
Yes.
So on one side, you're eating healthier food because when you are eating outside, you're eating junk. On the other side, you're able to save a lot of money. So now tell us that you came here, you got your apartments, you have set up your food. Now, how did the first week of classes go? Did you decide classes before coming? Did you decide them here? How did you decide all of that?
So I decided the classes before coming.
Okay.
So we were provided an entire list of all the quotas that we are going to have. And we were advised from our seniors to plan for the entire year what you're going to take.
Yeah.
So take the courses backtracking. So what you're aiming at
Yeah.
is going to be your final quarter subjects. So backtrack accordingly, complete the prerequisites.
Yeah,
Take
yeah.
those in the first sem. So that's how I plan, and I have taken up 3 subjects in this quarter.
Very nice. What about you?
So in our case now, how we planned it actually now here again university helped me out, and engineering management you can say team also helped us. They gave us that in this quarter if you are coming from fusion stroke then you are having this much of these of the subject what you need to select. So I tried by myself also, but unfortunately I was not able to do that. So then I wrote a mail to engineering management team, to Rob and Rick, who is the HOD head of department. He helped me out, and it was so quick. I wrote a mail in the night only, and in after 20 minutes he replied back to me
Wow.
that Rob, please help him out to register for all the courses.
That is one very important thing we have seen. The professors here are
Very nice.
next level, so helpful, and they really care.
Yeah.
They are not doing a job. For them, it is not some money they are getting out. For them, they really care about the students. So, from all of you, you had a very good experience with the professor. You want to talk about experience you had with the professor in a class? Anything you want to mention?
Yeah, sure. I mean, here the professors are really open. Okay, you ask any questions, they do not mind, and they have been always helpful. And one of our professors even said, like, you can be available in the class. Just let me know if you are late.
Yeah.
That is sufficient. They are very considerate, and they give you an opportunity to explore a lot.
Yeah.
They are not confining you to like this is the textbook. This is something you have to read. No, go explore. Explore.
In the
learn.
first week,
That's the best.
sorry. In the first week, I missed the quiz.
Yeah.
So in the next class, I told the professor that I couldn't figure out the LMS portal, so he reopened
Wow.
the quiz for me.
So tell
I
me,
got
tell
to
me one thing,
retake it.
these quizzes, assignments, midterm exams, are you feeling the pressure? Do you feel कि India में तो it was so easy, hand में पढ़ के दे देते हैं, you know what I'm saying, right? So do you feel that?
No, here I will put you onto that one. Here I am feeling much more easy.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
That's one.
When actually I will give you again an example onto this. Once there was a pizza party was going for an orientation of engineering management. I went to the professor, Lian, and I told him that see, I am very much new to stats. I am an engineering background guy. I am electronics, but I just shifted into IT. But I am very much new to stats. I don't know stats, what is statistics and
Yeah.
all these. He said, Kapil, don't mind. It's not that tough. You just complete your all the assignments and quizzes. You can take the help from the internet. If you want, you can also take the help from the chat GPT also.
What?
I'm really not
Can you quote that again? You can take help from chat.
chat GPT. He directly told me that. He
Wow.
said, I'm only bothered that you should finish the assignment on time.
Yeah.
This is only I think one. You just do that. I am least bothered you are doing it from chat GPT. And he directly told it into the class also that you take the help of chat GPT. And the other professor also, he's saying you just take the help from there.
Nice.
Yeah.
So now all of you tell me one thing, right? Before you came here, you must have had certain thoughts. Tell me one thought that changed. One preconceived notion you had about studying in the US, studying at Drexel, studying with so many smart people that changed when you came here. Who wants to start?
For me, it was that they made me very much comfortable.
Sure.
Thing is, I was thinking it was like that what is happening in India, that is a old fashioned way, that when we are studying, you need to just mug up everything, go and just give the exam. But when I came here, it was the first week where they helped us to make us comfortable. Then they told us that you need to do it like this, these are the things, you need to finish it. Once you are done, I'm very much happy with
Very
it that your work is completed. Plus, in fact, that also when I was talking about in the previous chat, it was like that I wrote a mail on Sunday. I was having an impression that in all the US and UK, when you go there, they don't used to work on weekends.
Yeah.
I wrote a mail on Sunday that I am not able to register for these courses. After 20 minutes, he replied. And after 1 hour, the other professor, that Rob, who is our coordinator,
Yeah.
he replied that I will register you onto the
Wow.
Monday. Don't worry.
I think that is why they
This
really
made me
care.
so much comfortable that they are helping us out. On Sundays also they are working. That made my what impression I was having, it changed, totally changed it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I think makes you. Anything else from your end?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a subject multimedia and forensic, so it requires a little background on image processing as well. But I am not from an EC background, so I do not know that.
Right.
So professor is making sure that in the first 2 weeks we take some basics of image processing, so that it will help me to understand the forensics part. So they are that really nice, you know. And he even gave me a waiver on one of the subjects so that I could take this course.
I think one important thing is that all of you did your 30% coursework in India before coming. I think that is something that gave you an edge immediately because you were in that academic mode.
Yes.
क्या होता है कि when you are in job and you have not done academics in a few years, वो touch चला जाता है.
Yeah.
But because before coming here itself, you were part of that online IIT or IIM certification, that sort of I'm sure got that touch back.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now, guys, one thing we all know. People come to US to obviously study, research, all of that. But there's a lot of fun also. A lot of fun outside classroom and fun is of two types. One is with friends, the other is clubs and on-campus activities. So can you talk about some on-campus activities, clubs, orientation, parties that you might have attended?
So yeah, in the welcome week we did have a lot of events, and we had an entire calendar, and we literally could not complete all the events because the same time there would be 2-3 events happening. So we have to choose which one do we go so that
Right.
we like it. And there were silent music party, there was pizza. Food is everywhere,
Yeah.
first of all.
Right.
And you have a lot of goodies, and you meet new people, you talk to them,
Yeah.
you get to know their culture, they help you, and it's like people are really friendly, they
Yeah.
accept you. It's nice. We had
Makes
that great experience in the welcome week.
What about you?
Same thing. It was very much good when I came here. I was thinking it would be just directly will start up all the classes, but they made us so comfortable in the first week of orientation, and they were all where the parties and everything parties.
You went?
So I was I even showed it to my wife there in India that she was jealous that you were just attending the parties here and we are thinking that you might be attending the classes. I was told them that it's very much fun here.
Yeah,
You come here that it is so nice there. Right.
Yeah.
So what about you? Anything?
Yeah, I think there was a Tinashi concert, but I couldn't attend, unfortunately. Yeah, I've joined a karate club.
Karate club?
Yeah. I mean, I did karate back in India, but and I've missed touch since a lot of years. But
Yeah.
back, coming here,
I'll tell all of you this thing, right? Joining clubs is going to be the most important thing, and
We joined, yeah.
I'm telling you, most people avoid it. Especially first semester, we don't realize it. अभी लगता है नहीं छोड़ दो क्या है अभी तो काम ही कर लेते हैं वही बहुत है. But I'm telling you that's one mistake most people make. And then in second semester you think that let me join a club, and you are late at that time. Because right now these clubs are more open to take people.
Yes.
So I would request all of you to get more active in clubs
Yes,
and
yes,
look beyond classroom, because you are not come here to just study in classrooms. You're not paying so much to just study in classrooms. You could have done that online also.
Yes.
I'm being very honest. It's the experience. So my request to you guys is please step outside, get into clubs, have more fun, because that is something you'll always remember. And as you are already doing, benefit the most from university resources, because all the answers are with the university.
Yeah.
It is up to you how much effort you put in, because there will be a lot of people that come in. There will be a lot of people who are deserving, but only people who put in that effort are the ones who get the outcomes. That is my only request to you guys, but thank you guys. Really appreciate this conversation. Thank you so much.
thank you.